So what have you been eating for lunch?
Sun butter and jelly sandwich.
I don't like sun butter.
It's okay. It's not the
It's
best.
disgusting. For all those sun butter lovers, no offense.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making Snickerdoodle cookies. My sister doesn't want to be here today, just me. So what you need is flour, sugar, cinnamon, cream of tartar, hope I said it right, baking soda, salt, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter, vanilla extract. Yep, that's all. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna preheat the oven, 350 degrees. So now you want to mix the butter and the sugar for around 4 to 5 minutes. When you're mixing the butter and the sugar, make sure it's softened because then it might stick to the mixer. Okay, so both sticks of butter are in here. What I do with the wrapper, instead of throwing it away, is I reuse it and save it in the fridge for, like, say I'm baking a cake or brownies and I need to grease the pan, I can just use that. And you want 1.5 cups of sugar. There's the half. You want to mix it for around 4 to 5 minutes. So, while that's mixing, I'm going to clean up my sugar. I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl, then add the eggs and the vanilla. Now you want to add the eggs and 2 teaspoons vanilla. 1 to 2 minutes. Ooh, that looks good. Now you want to stir in 2 3/4 cups flour. Got my flour, 2 of these. Okay, there's the flour. 1.5 teaspoons cream of tartar. 1. If you're doing the same as me, you want 3 of these. 2, 3. Interesting taste. It has a very interesting taste. Baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt. Now you want to mix it until just combined. Yep, it's doughy. Oh, it feels so nice. If you have the time, wrap the dough and let it refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes. But only if you have the time. Look at the dough. Hi, dough. How about? Really? She dropped it. How about that? Oh, it's heavy. Cream of tartar. 1.5 tablespoons cinnamon. 1/4 cup sugar. Oh, looks like cinnamon and sugar. Can I taste it? No!
No.
That's not cinnamon and sugar.
Now you want to make them into balls. Doesn't matter what size balls. Don't roll it too tight. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, so about 10. Make sure you do this part under parent supervision, because you don't want to burn yourself. Yeah, I'm looking at you. Can you keep yourself in the video for a little bit? A reasonable size.
I don't know what reasonable
We could
is.
probably cut it down. Good boy. Ha!
Mine looks rounder. Yours is kind of lumpy.
It's gonna...
I don't think
It
that's
doesn't
helping.
matter how it looks. It's not gonna look pretty in your stomach. That's a good size cookie.
Uncle?
Don't squish them too much. Don't kill it. They're already dead.
My stick! I have a really tiny cookie. It's probably gonna burn. But
expanded.
No, the Snickerdoodles are cinnamon sugar.
Do they have Snickers?
No.
No, they don't have doodles either.
Crispy chicken.
Crispy
Bum, 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 bum.
chicken. Gonna die because you get old.
We're not ending the video until I ate a cookie.
So these are what I got out of that. I also
Wait.
got those little sticks over there, but those are mine. Snickerdoodle cookies. Most of the cinnamon's on the bottom, but let's just wait and see how they taste. Try it.
What'd you put in it?
Love.
You like it? You're eating it.
It's a cookie. Why wouldn't I eat it? You're talking.
Or if you're banging your head
Yeah.
against the wall.
Was the wall soft?
No.
Sugar?
Yeah.
It looks like.
It says it. Oh, it says it.
Don't know where you missed.